The scent of chili and garlic begins to fill the air. Chicken broth warms slowly, bringing out gentle depth and comfort. Crispy chili adds rich aroma and warmth that lingers softly. Each bite carries the taste of home, simple and full of heart. Let's make it together in your kitchen.